Greetings and welcome to the Dramanon channel. When you hear Dracula, what pops into your brain? Sharp teeth, swirling cape, creepy castle full of bats? Maybe thunder and lightning, flashing like the start of a Scooby-Doo episode? Why has this character lasted more than 100 years? Why do we keep reinventing him in books, games, comics, and movies? Today we're going beyond spooky. We're diving into the why. Because these stories don't just scare us, they mean something. And behind every wild world or cool creature is someone who asked why. Let's rewind the clock. It's 1897, foggy London, top hats, gas lamps, and in a world full of fear, disease, strangers, strange ideas, Bram Stoker writes Dracula, a vampire from a distant land. He sleeps in a coffin, drinks blood, turns into a bat. Classic. But Dracula wasn't just spooky, he was a mirror. People were scared of what they didn't understand. So Bram Stoker gave that fear a face and fangs. Dracula was fear in a costume, not just a monster, a symbol. Just as Bram Stoker asked, why do we fear the unknown, and created Dracula, Mary Shelley asked, why are we afraid of science, and created Frankenstein. Now it's your turn. Think of what is happening today, and what are we afraid of? Or is there something totally unexpected, something different that you want to talk about? Why did the monster under the bed keep a journal? Why did the Minotaur still wait in the maze, even after the doors were open? Why would a werewolf want a quiet job in accounting? These questions don't just poke fun, they spark ideas. They turn fear into fuel, curiosity into characters, and questions into stories. Dracula isn't just a vampire, he's a layered cake of meaning. Top layer, creepy cape dude. Middle layer, fear of the outsider. Deepest layer, what we're too scared to say out loud. So next time you create something, draw it, write it, design it, ask yourself, what's the surface? What's the symbol? What's the secret? Creative Spark challenge for this week is make your own character. Draw them, describe them, build a backstory. Write the why questions your character might ask, because every why could lead to a world no one's seen yet. You don't need all the answers, you just need to wonder. Because the next time you're reading a comic, watching a movie, or exploring a game, if you stop and ask, why was this made? Does it work? Does it entertain me? Until next time, stay weird, stay curious, and keep asking why. Thank you for watching.